Come to Jamaica for the holiday and we party every night, every day and make we go the beach pan a sunny day and live wild no matter what people say. Just a pack of Durex, good that to me well. Additional blue cologne, give me the smell. And a bag of call credit for me digis. Make we shout everybody figure 80 I me well. School that na me and na me rum, so you know I say me happy, me happy. Somebody everybody happy, somebody everybody happy.
Good morning, guys. I always look crazy on these vlogs.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. So this morning, I'm gonna go in the kitchen. I'm gonna say no bright banana. So we're gonna make some fritters this month. Some banana fritters.
Usually there's also the father, the partner, and we can check whether he's
Nada.
Oh, no,
Nada.
Pops.
yeah, man.
How that I want
No
so?
touch.
I want to you.
Shop, touch can't carry more something than Q.
Carol.
Message a shop. Q remember if you buy.
You got shop and come back already? Which shop you go?
For Baba.
That's so cute and know say where sending go by.
This.
I didn't know why I go by. Me say, me don't know what me don't know why I go become at him. How much you pay for?
350.
Me don't know what I go become I don't know.
So we put in the mama. You crush up the banana
With sugar.
with brown sugar.
And I put some baking powder. You grate a nutmeg in the now. And I go put vanilla. And then we mix up with civet flour and put in it.
That's it. So mash up the banana with sugar, with some brown sugar. Then put a little baking powder in there. Then grate a piece of nutmeg. You nutmeg that grater. Like a vanilla and sieve the sugar and put in there.
Sieve the flour.
That me mean. The flour. Sieve the flour and put in there and then on have a banana fritters. Nice. And mix it out. And just put the fire pan low and make them go and make. Nice. I never have banana fritters yet.
Oh,
He's saying low. Yeah, mama cooking nice. That's how they eat it. He's saying regular fritters. Me, I wonder what regular fritters
no,
is.
like
Saltfish.
Saltfish fritters.
Oh. I like saltfish. I love banana.
I love saltfish fritters. I love it more than the banana fritters.
So you just gauge how much flour you put in there?
You mix it on and then you will know what you see there.
How thick you feel be?
Not for thick.
Not for thick.
No.
Daddy.
Yes, baby?
Oh, some water, please.
You want some water, please? Alright, let me get you some water.
Phone, please.
Oh, nearly brought my phone. Oh. Oh, my phone there.
So then I want the pipe water. Lift the bucket from inside. Bend down as well. Just lift up the fire. Yeah, just lift up. No, the one underneath. We are going to move when we done. See, they just lift up the top. Yes, just take one little cup. And just take up some.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, in a drink. Nothing wrong with nice water. Time to pick it out.
You good now? You drink you have? Yes, sir. Oh, so we are doing that in dark glass day. So we are doing that in dark glass. You can see?
Yes.
Must say me no see them, me inna me darkest class. Money man a make a last, them last yo.
Before I go potting.
Bradley, one thing, this thing to make Bradley, but I just put in there.
exactly if you fill your card. That never they can suck gas.
If you can't suck gas,
Jesus.
so I'm gonna go
Can't suck gas, man.
Airport of $5,000-6,000 gas we have to buy.
When me tell me say 7,000 to fill you.
When you know, a long time you know the office say gas gone past sky high. More 7. If we are buy 6,000 a liter, just a go over half ton.
That means when we put 2,000 gas in there, not even move.
No moving.
That's something more than what for me car take.
If you make it thick on this, means say not it run, you understand?
Mm-hmm. What?
No.
Chicken gonna rice.
Chicken for and rice?
Yeah.
How many so? Eh? How you with money? How much money this? How much money this? Let me see it.
It's $30. $30.
$30?
Yes.
Oh.
Put them on my
Yeah, wallet this. That's all you do. Heat.
My mama already and I call me. What's
Papa
that?
gone.
What's that? Why is he gone? You went fast touch.
Papa start.
You did not call me?
Mama.
So I'm okay.
Start no meaning gone.
Start.
May I wash out the frying pan to make the fritters, you know. Hey, matches there. Every time I come here, I turn on the people in fire. Because I feel like the matches. Whenever I make a mistake here with the matches with no wet on, I want to see me and put it that way. Yeah. And say matches now light. Me just catch your dog one thief. Where are thief? I'm not hungry, nothing in there for no eat. Oh no. So mama said the consistency for the fritters for stay about so.
You are sure?
Yeah. That's it good? You lick him?
Between my finger.
It's like squeeze him.
Me don't know me don't catch him. catching. Dusty fly this there around the place. Me say, me tired to wash them out the window here, so. So I not open the window here, you know. Anytime they go there, then this.
Yeah, but you need it. Then I make it bone or some of them again. Just watch them. Yeah, make them fry slow, take them time. Take them time and make. When we make some with him, we go there.
Yeah, this is
Papa, can you pick them already? Pick out the pig already?
Oh, they have to take out the pig. Bang, like one man tell Bang if he call the woman. The woman say they tell Bang if he call the outcome.
Of course, in car, they never did it when in car, Papa.
So Bang at him say, oh, you know, send body boy to come help him. He say they tell Bang to carry outcome.
They nobody want it. But you did it when in car, Papa, you know?
Yes! Yes! What you say? Call one of them, give them here, they go put in a room now. Let's come here, it's a bit cheap. I know they must stick in there.
Yeah, I must never know.
Like I know that one I made it Friday morning. And the big side ain't gone when me coming like roll cut done. People ain't favor the side where I go. But I've been there still.
Yeah, some people carry them from, man. They might work up party tomorrow. The work up party and about wear jersey. Then should I not keep that from the beginning?
And money them I make one Sunday from 10
No, on a Sunday they might do it tomorrow night.
Where?
Oh, that's so. But then should I do that long time?
Chris. My friend named Chris.
Papa fried?
What?
Never see Papa cookie yet.
Fritters?
Never see Papa cookie yet.
You look more fritters.
Never see Papa cook.
A nigga in America, boy say, boy, go and go cook your porridge. Sardine and porridge, Jesus Christ. I must go and cook the rice.
So try never cook?
Try cook himself. Try not make nobody cook for him. Him stay bad. Make him cook and not trouble him food. Much fry on.
You do the 2 piece.
In our fridge.
Oh.
Sweet.
Right, make back at the cook. Eat rush.
Yeah, use their means. Too hot bamba. Give me the back full of water. Then try come here and sit and drink. And you don't know it's rich in the fridge. We say, boy, I don't know you can't stop.
touch me then. You know, I'm something. You want something? Eh? I mean, you're not going to cut your ear, I'm not like teeth, so.
Go look for some.
Pass me one wake up,
One day before they go.
Grandma, do you celebrate your phone? Sunday, my birthday, phone. Sunday, my birthday, phone. Charlie. Charlie.
Yeah?
You talk about the Charlie here, and they want
Oh, they can't fight, so.
And you got me
argue.
Come here,
Can't better, man. Sure.
Come on, that kitchen today like you. And I make me
You see, everyone no go argument really.
Put that now, put that now. That's it,
I went Big Joe about you.
Friday.
Friday, yeah. Today was Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Get the bag of that. I don't know what it is. Oh, so I'm pay bag anyway, so.
You want
You know, I'm bag juice.
no ice.
Him can't drink a bag juice. He clean bag juice, they write that up. Last night.
Okay?
Eh? You want bag juice? He say no.
You just drink that some of the wine.
Alright?
Then fresh. And I will just have but you know what happened.
Almost done.
I can make them want some.
You ask them if they want some? Yeah, give some of them bag juice. Give them some. Enough people want some. Well, I'm focused on the bag juice. See it there. You want some of that? Or what that? If you tell me where you name. What kind of fritters?
Banana.
Banana.
Please.
When you done it, is it finished?
Yeah,
Is it finished? Eh?
Yeah.
Is it finished? Completely?
Yeah.
No.
This one.
That done, but the rest of them not done. So I go wait till them done, right?
Just one.
Just one.
Come
May I go?
on,
Okay, artist one for burn up your food. And if you never take up your apple, then yesterday then done too.
If you get my apple, 1 3 2 I meat. Had a right.
Mommy, no?
Me one apple, me one apple, me done wash and come in. Yeah, not let feed.
Let me big.
Oh, you have to take your big one. Put it down. Put it down.
Yeah, that's a
You no baby, anything coming, you don't want to take the best one.
The mama be a big one.
Bless you.
I got. Like that.
Me eat apple, me see apple pan, then me take it and eat it.
Your
So.
papa carry? But you have a style.
You just want to
You
eat
eat
something
it
them
up.
and eat.
Eat that one.
Go and go sit down and move.
It's you.
You see, you don't eat one banana while you come in here, nobody will see you
Give me
walk
some of
see
my
you
juice.
quick. Mama wants some of your juice.
It's a man. Too fresh.
Too fresh.
No, I like it.
Me never know say they're fresh. Me never know what kind.
They're not fresh.
They're fresh.
Fresh one. Them just feed
Then just
too
one
much
night.
sugar.
Big up my water in bamboo stem.
My battery I got dead. I'm gonna charge it. I'm gonna have to see the
A
final.
water, I want empty.
Where pink charger they go from? Go feed no, not even 1 second. Yeah, one more.
Wow. Make him wait till it's something finished. Listen, go sit down.
Come on.
I want to get you last night.
Yeah?
I want to get you last night. That's hard.
When it charge, because when I watch something funny now and it's dead, when I dip by my charger because it's not working, I'm gonna need it for the rest of the time there. So when I touch back the charger, so me charge the tablet and then me give it to you. But when I don't watch and it's dead, when I have a watch and charge, make it sit and charge and then it done. You notice when I don't charge my phone one time.
But then we mash you up, Sophia, use it and it a run hot and it a charge. I want one TV, athletics.
Jamaica today.
We can't go watch it and it.
What kind of
Mom, wake me up so early this morning to go digging to go hard.
Oh, check and feel.
The pace was really quick for 400 meters.
Me eat pussy man now with them ballers.
My camera battery dead. So, me go charge it. And basically, this is the finished product of the summer there. The fritters. It soon charge up and come back and beat and thing and come back. Oh, you love the palm so?
A tablet you want.
You know, it's a tablet you want, but you not get it. Anytime you interested in me, tablet you want, but you not get it until you reach 100% charge.
He's not gonna give me on charge.
Guys, so this the fritters done. I'm gonna find out for eat it with some stew peas from last night. I'm telling you something. Me never in a million years would have put stew peas with fritters. But the way the stew pea is sweet, you can't go with anything. Tastes good for the fritters, I'm not lying. Tastes good for the fritters. Yeah, fritters in there.
Yes,
There. Delicioso. Hey. What them for do? What them for do? What them for do? You ever tell them? What them for do? Say subscribe.
Subscribe,
Like, comment, and share. Talk cute. Say bright as day.
Bright as day.
Yeah.